I like Catter. It doesn't work out for me every time, but I like Catter. I don't know. I've never really given it a lot of thought. I have noticed queue times increase ever so slightly over time, but outside of that, I haven't really... I only know... Well, I don't know. I guess I do know what my queue times are like when I'm playing out a stream. I've never given any thought. This is probably a little quicker. Nice. Portal's been quite handy for some of those boards where you just kind of got stuck. And then you became Yorm bait. And nobody wants to be Yorm bait. New year, new channel points name. Wait, oh. I didn't even see what they had. A 1-1. That makes sense. I'd shard that, happily. Wait. I think I'd rather shard the... The peep's kind of a 5-5 and the tree's a 3-3, but the tree grows. But, like, what evil do I want? I don't know. I'd shard the tree, too. Oh, what evil do I want? He asked. What evil do I want? Haha. Woggles. Here we go. That seems appropriate, actually, after what just happened there. Yep. Woggles. Save. Nice. Alright, updated. Thank you for the redeem. I see no need to roll when it is just this economically viable. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. Somewhere Bam Matumbo is like, somebody keeps saying my name. I can sense it. I'm happy. We're going to need to continue doubling down on this somehow. Bam. No, my tiny. How could you? Look at this tree, though. This happy little tree is not so little. Okay, cool buff target? No, not so much. I think I might just go again. Okay, that's not bad. I can take that. It doesn't synergize perfectly with Catter Power, but it's not terrible. I could lock up the pair. I think I might as well. If I'm going to buy one, I might as well take two. So this tree might need a little help from something like a Heartwood Guardian. Because right now the attack is almost scaling faster on the happy little tree than the 2 health a turn. I guess that's kind of cool. It's like the attack's keeping up with the health scaling. So take a lucky pair and just pray to hit something cool on the next roll. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, it hit the 3-4? That's silly. Okay, get your sleigh. You did not get entirely brick-walled here. Nice. That lines up for a potential triple. Ooh. You're playing Hatter, but I'm playing Hatter. What's one of us gonna have to go home and change? We're wearing the same shirt. How embarrassing. Alright, I'm gonna take the stag. I think it's pretty decent. Lock up for this little 1-2. I probably don't roll next turn. I probably buy the tree and XP. I just keep hearing the sounds of fireworks. I love it. Bam. Pow. Blam. Alright. They have been treed. Okay, I like flipping my frog. I mean, if this were any more perfect, like, if the money worked out any better, I don't understand how it would possibly have worked out any better than that. I'd like to get double experience, please. Curse Kings are usually strong on these turns, though. I'm nowhere near... Well, I am kind of close to a level 2 treasure. I wanted to get Ring of Meteors, but of course I wanted to kind of get that sooner. I've got enough stuff that I could sell that if I rolled into a triple, I could acquire it. I think I'd rather not roll. I think that would be a mistake. Let's just wait. Well, we do have the stronger 4/4 buff on. Could roll into a buff 4/4 and sell 4. Drop it on the board. These luckies are not entirely necessary anymore. I could roll into something bad and just wish I had the gold for next turn. So I'll chill. I'll chill for now. Yeah, I kind of like playing the egg, actually. We'll lose it, but if it results in a combat win, it's a noble sacrifice. Cool. Yeah, I want the extra XP. Yeah, I'm into it. It's cool. Obviously, it's a little bit easier to be into it when it worked perfectly, but I'm going to take that for 2. Give it a little extra health for now. We're hoping for a Heartwood Guardian, and I'd love to slam one right behind it. It's not bad. It's a big buff. Heartwood Guardian, let's go. Okay, we want to buff you and you. We want you back on the front. You're going to scoot under the stag. I'm going to save this. No. It's too late to care about Ring of Meteors. Let's just Guardian it up. This is still excellent. Maybe I'm supposed to save this up, though. Buff friendly's pretty good. Well, we're going to 5. We're looking more... Oops. Looking more like we want to find some more good stuff here. Fortunately, these luckies are just kind of here for the treasure map. They're not going to do much anymore. Noble Sacrifice, where's your free 2/1? Get down! The trees are strong, my lord. Oh, heck yeah. This Nutcracker's almost done. Oh? Oh, the Nutcracker completed in a turn. It only took 1 turn. Well, let's go. We tied, too. Dang. Who are you, Coco? I'm a guy who lucked into somebody played Falling Stars against me. That's who I am. There's some cool fireworks going on. I just heard a big bomb. Boom, boom, boom. Eh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I want that. Deck of many things is a bootstrap Ring of Meteors. I mean, you're right. Oh, a TLK. Eh. Alright. Now, there's some interesting stuff here. I did not reorder in time. Hatball! Why are you apparently listening to my playlist and how did you find it? I made this list because I was dissatisfied with my other playlists. So I went and I added every track on this thing by hand. Wait. Hadazar, where are you at? Hadazar. I got something for you. Didn't see that one coming. Well, I guess we're not playing trees. Maybe we are playing trees. I don't know. I took the sleigh because I was like, sometimes Tiger gets a world tree but doesn't know what to do with it yet, you know? Like sometimes they get themselves a very early world tree and it just does not fit their game plan. So that, you know, they just have it. That was what I was thinking. But the fact that it actually worked is even cooler. Eh. I have Hatball. I need Aeon and Hatball stuff. No, I don't need that. It's a board upgrade. Could be like Beaker. Yeah, buddy. All right, everything's coming up me. Do 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 do. like that. Oh, I love that. I almost kind of wanted to get both of them down, but let's go like this right now. Uh-oh. Polly might have a hard time slaying. Well, that was nice. Well... Polly might have a hard time slaying, but for reasons different than I initially thought. I looked at that Polly and I went... Polly who? Hey. Remember when that used to give Evil Eye sometimes? I don't know what to buff. These aren't mages. These are just trees. We don't know we're trees. I guess, Polly, you can have a... I don't... What is it? Get kissed. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What's half all fork trees for, though? What's the... I'm so lost. I'm so lost. I'm lost, but I'm also found, you know? It's like everything all at once is just... It's just a lot. It's just a lot. We're not gonna need this triple. We have half ball fork, everything's fine. I want to get back above 40. I'm tired of being below 40. I was here for a minute. I didn't like it. Not one bit. Oh? Merlin? Okay, we're done. We're done. We've cast all our spells, but now we are Hat Ball Fork Merlin trees. It's a good day in Cattertown. Well, how about Merlin Town? This can only... What a day. What a game. What's happening here? Board is thick. Wow, the Polly still didn't slay. I just need... I need to get rid of it, you know? I'm gonna replace it with trees. I figured it would slay this fight. I don't have anything to complain about, I guess, but... Yeah, this game is faded. I take it because I can use it to replace Hat later. Like, very soon it can replace Hat. I do need a monster, don't I? Wow. That's a monster. Not in that it has a monster tag, in that it has giant stats. Sorry, Creeper. You're beautiful. You served your job. You did good. You done real good, buddy. You done real good. Ooh. All I can use that for is to triple up the happy little tree. It's not really that good. This might actually get a slay, though, which is pretty good. I'll just double shrink. I think I'm going to stick this back in 5 and stick this back in 1. And I had intended initially to play another tree instead of this Scion. I don't know what to do. It's like, I just buy the big stuff, and this game is playing itself. This game is playing itself. Trees is better content. No, we gotta make the best use of these. Wow, we didn't even get to the Polly this time. The silly Polly. With that ball fork, mages is always going to be stronger. It's Polly's. I need a Baba, though. I would take a Baba. Oh. What if we are just trees for now? What if we sell some of this stuff eventually? I mean, that gets huge instantly, but I kind of like my silly trees. I'd take a burn beard, throw that in the mix too. We're going to buff you. I'm going to commit to you a little bit. I'm not going to take the croc. A little bit too pricey. Oh my god. Nothing is too pricey. Everything is perfect. No monsters. Wow. This game, though. This game of this game. This round of this video game. Oh, okay. That's filthy. Let's do that. You know, I think we risk not getting an Aeon Slay this way, though, potentially. So let's just put Aeon back up front. You probably win this round, just a hunch. You're going to kill everyone too fast. It's not fun. I'm playing the trees. I'm not even, like, full-on mages right now anymore. Oops. I don't want to stare at that Crown Atlas. Holy... Imagine playing this game fairly. Imagine. This is silly. This is absolutely silly. It seems like knighthooding would be more efficient than spending 6 gold on another one of those. I'd buy a Burnbeard. Yeah, it seems like knighthooding would be more efficient. Normally you would knighthood the Scion, but in this case, tree. Oh, usually you would knighthood the Scion. Maybe I knighthood the Aeon. Gotta ditch the upgrades. No, I do. It is my intention to end this game. It is not my intention to drag this on. Just to get a few more turns of fun trees. But I will enjoy every moment of fun trees I get. What the hell is this RNG? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's totally fine. It's totally normal. It's totally okay. No one's gonna get in any kind of trouble because of really good RNG. Wait, I mean, what do you mean? What do you mean, RNG? Is this not a normal game? Thought this was just what normally happened. Knight the happy tree. No, we already got a pair of happy trees. Evil alignment. I mean, I can't be bothered to buy another Aeon. That's too much effort. Oh my god. Rashi. Thank you for the 7 months, Rashi. Happy New Year. Right back at you. Pleasure to see you. I probably should sell this poly. It's stealing buffs. Go away. Oh no. I only have one thing to shard. But it's my only royal. Oh wait. I wanted to buy the chicken. I was planning for this. Because I had a double chicken shop. Frees up all sorts of space for extra spells. Alright, maybe we will knighthood the happy little tree. I don't think I need to triple this with this guy. This guy can go. No, stop stealing my Merlin buffs. Shh. 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 Oh, I have a godmother now. How fun. Rashi, for some reason the RNG got set up to 11 on this game, and I'm not sure what happened. Oh, I should have put the health on the tree. That was silly. Boom, 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 boom. Buff, 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 buff. Boom, 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 buff, buff, boom. Yeah, get shrinked. That's 12 less than you used to have. Streamer client. It sure is. Oh, man. I'm not necessarily making optimal use of my hatball fork, but in other ways I feel like I am. If I could get a Burnbeard, then I'd certainly be making optimal use. It would totally count. I don't need another one of those. Oh, I'd love to double Pigo, but we gotta cast some spells first. I mean, we gotta find some spells to cast, I guess, but oh heck, yes. Bam, bam. Oh, double extra HPs, let's go. Oh, Pavlov. Welcome to my funhouse, Pavlov. Alright. Nothing's evil. Everything's good. So the question is... Am I locked in here with Pavlov, or is Pavlov locked in here with me? Bam, 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 bam. Big stats, big stats, big stats. What do we know about this? Oh, it's monsters. Monstrous. Is this a new Steam room? Stream room? No, this is the room that I'm always in. I usually have the green screen going, you know? You know, I drag these in so you can see my treasures a little bit. It wasn't even supposed to be a cam stream. I'm lying right now. Wait, we're 3 minutes to New Year. In my time zone. Hey. Oh, Medusa out the pumpa. Bam, that thing dies. It's got no health. We have to go right up the middle, right up the middle, right up the middle. Aw, my 50 HP. Everyday broom salesman. Thank you for the gift sub to Infinite. Yo, thank you, thank you. Happy New Year right back at you. Oh, let's go. Let's go. We are still trees. When they Medusa you, just tree even harder. Well, I think we're going to drop one Heartwood Guardian. We are still trees. Don't be alarmed. We're just going to put one Heartwood Guardian on the bench. We do still need a monster, you know? See, because we needed a shard target, and the Heartwood Guardian can do that. It's the hero we need, not the one we deserve. We need a kiss target, and the Heartwood Guardian can be that. Oh, well, it was Lancelot momentarily. Now it's a pumpkin. Wouldn't it be easier just to find a knighthood? Just like, who bothers buying a third copy of anything to upgrade it? It's so much easier to knighthood. Jeez. Oh, baby. Come here, trophy hunter. I got something for you. Wait, did I sell the bigger Heartwood? Why doesn't Lance give you a treasure for existing for that? Because it never actually joined a fight. It has to be part of a combat to give you a treasure. Wow, that's a huge shoulder fairy. That was a lucky summon. I'm just sad I'm not at 50 HP anymore. I was at 50 HP for a while. Wait, was that the Burnbeard? I wasn't paying attention. Oh, they had Black Prism. Wait, Pavlov beat me up last time. I knew this is the final opponent, right? Like, they got the scams. I mean, that's just gonna be huge. Huge! Where'd this chicken come from? I want to triple that. I'm gonna buy the pair. Oh, there's my monster. I finally found it. Well, I got a pumpkin on the bench now. I'm not gonna bedge. I want to be Merlin. Merlin's cool. There's my knighthood. I finally found it. That's so cool. They're like, they're finaleing the fireworks out there. I can hear it ramping up. Pew, 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 bam, bam, bam. Pew, 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 bam, bam, bam. Whoa, I gotta look. I gotta look. Oh, cool. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. This is so cool. Look, guys, like, that was the ending to a really exciting game, but also, I don't know. You can't even really tell from the background, can you? They're just they're doing the big finales, so they're firing off a whole bunch of fireworks all at once at the end here. Pew, 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 pew. Pew. You can see a little bit. Oh man. Yeah, even if I point it more at the window, you're only gonna catch like the little side angles. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. What a time. It's a New Year. What a game to New Year on. Oh yeah, you can totally. Oh, I'm sure like the pops are probably picking up in the microphone too.